So we have to be selfless and mature in the character that this marriage is forcing us to do. And with that selflessness, this is what I want to really bring out, is that legacy. When we become selfless, we are passing the baton, a legacy of covenant and commitment to our children, our children's children. And so when we reflect Jesus Christ here on earth in our marriage, in our marriages, then what's going to end up happening is we're going to be the selfless person who's leaving a legacy. We have to keep our eyes on Christ in our marriages. And as we pursue Him, we will desire to pursue each other.